Hello children, today we are going to start class 5 subject GK chapter number 2 goal setting. So people who set goals are more successful. You can set your goals by creating a fortune wheel. Okay, so first draw a wheel divided into segments. So here you can see the wheel and the segments are drawn. So one each segment, write to important categories in your life: family, friends, school, games, and etc. So then choose one category that you would like to focus on first. Okay, so then this category, write out each goal you would like to accomplish to set in a period of time. Example, if the category is games, tennis, you might write that you would like to practice at least 3 times a week to improve your forehead and learn it. So complete this wheel by filling each segment with details. Okay, so the wheels also drawn here, and the drawing, games, reading, friends, family, and the music, and this is your homework. So complete this. Okay, now question number 5. Next thing of the step you will take to achieve these goals and which obstacles you may face. What will you do to overcome them? So आपने कुछ भी अचीव करने के लिए आपका जो गोल है, यू मे फेस, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें फेस करनी होगी. सो आप उसको ओवरकम कैसे करेंगे? सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस. ओके, फॉर ईच गोल दिस आर द स्टेप्स यू नीड टू take. So my power yet is I have learned how to dash yet. So success, then this, then I will do this, I will do this first, and this is also is your homework. Okay, so create your power. Now color the decorate the wheel however you like, and then hang it somewhere promenaded as you each your goal in one segment or a wheel. Do something to celebrate. Repeat the process of each additional segment in the wheel. So you can make on a chart paper that wheel, and you can write it, and you can hang out in your room where you can see every day, and you recognize what is your goal and what you have to do. Okay, so this chapter is your homework, and you can do you have to do this work in your textbook also, and you other than you can draw and in a chart paper, in a drawing book. Okay, and you can hang out at your home. Now we will start the chapter number 3 also. Now the chapter number 3 is Plastic Man of India. Did you know that India has already invented a method to build roads out of plastic waste? So our Vasudevan is called the Plastic Man of India. He is a chemistry professor. He reuses plastic waste to construct better, more durable, and very cost effective roads. The roads are not affected by water during rain. He uses plastic waste but blue metal and makes them to be prefabricated bricks. These bricks help to build the roads quickly. So to the advantages are, so advantages पढ़ेंगे हम. Plastic will be used for a good causes, allow roads to build quickly, provides durability to the roads, lighten the surface load as plastic is lighter than traditional road built material. Maintenance cost will be lower. Roads will be easy to install cables and utility pipelines below the surface. Can be prefabricated in a factory and transported wherever needed. Shorter construction time and low maintenance. Okay, so this is the advantage. He has created 5,000 kilometers of eco-friendly roads across 11 states in India. He was awarded the Padam Shri in the year 2018. Okay, so now we will complete the crossword on recycling with the help of the clues given below. So soap cans are made of this. Superman is the man of steel. Right here, steel, and you have to write the steel over here also. Okay, now so a soda dash is made from aluminium is can, and the fourth one is over here, C A N. Okay, now the sixth one, recycle dash may be used to make t-shirt. The word rhymes with fantastic is the plastic. So number 6, plastic. Okay, now tin is a type of this heavy. Dash is the style of music is metal. Number 7, metal. Okay, now recycle, reduce and reuse rhymes with so reuse. Number 10, reuse. Okay, now also called rubbish to trash is waste. So number 2, waste. To dash is valuable resources. Number 3 is recycle. So number 3, just a second. Okay, this 4 number will come here. I have just do the mistake. So the can will come here. Okay, now recycle, recycle. Okay, now the fifth one, this is a made from a bauxite, or you can wrap food in this type of foil is aluminium, and the spelling you will write on number 5. Okay, now the number 8, these are used to make paper, birds and squirrel, leaving them is trees. And the number 8 is here, right, trees. Okay, now last, this is used to make bottles and is 100% recyclable. Cinderella wore a dash slipper is glass. Right over here, glass. Okay, so students, we have completed chapter number 2 and the chapter number 3, and this work you have to do in your textbook only. Thank you.